In the early 20th century, a glow lit up the night. It was no ordinary light. It was the eerie luminescence of young women. They painted watch dials unknowingly, sealing their fate. These workers were called the Radium Girls. Their hands moved with precision, dipping brushes into radium paint, their lips too, a technique taught to them. But this innocent gesture held a deadly secret, one that would unravel in time. It was the 1920s in America. The war had ended and prosperity bloomed. Factories buzzed with activity, among them the U.S. Radium Corporation. It had a significant facility in New Jersey, among other locations. It promised jobs and progress for women. Young women driven by ambition filled these factories. They were painters, dial painters. Their work, finely detailed, required precision. Radium made the numbers glow in the dark, a marvel of modern science. Grace Fryer, Molly Maggia, and others sought independence. Their wages were considered relatively low by some historical accounts, but they carried something else home, an invisible, deadly companion. It would take years to reveal its true nature. Then something changed. The first signs were subtle, an ache in the jaw, a loose tooth. No one suspected radium. It was seen as safe, even beneficial. These women were in grave danger. Molly Maggia was among the first. Her health deteriorated rapidly, teeth falling out, painful abscesses. Doctors were puzzled. Her condition worsened, revealing the sinister effects of her daily routine. In time, more followed. Grace Fryer and others noticed symptoms. A silent epidemic. The factory continued operations, oblivious or indifferent. The glow that once seemed magical now threatened their lives. The mysterious illnesses spread. Women suffered silently. Doctors offered no answers. The corporation insisted radium was harmless, though later evidence suggested otherwise. Reports began to surface. Radium was linked to illnesses. The company denied allegations. The women were left alone, battling both disease and disbelief. An invisible enemy thrived within them. Contradictions became impossible to ignore. Grace Fryer decided to act. She sought justice. Her fight, monumental, a lone voice against a powerful industry. She began her legal battle. Evidence accumulated. Skeletal decay, embrittlement of bones. Doctors discovered radium lingered in the body. Its glow, a grim reminder. The corporation faced mounting pressure. The case reached a climax. The Radium Girls stood firm. Their fight highlighted corporate negligence. The public became aware. Justice seemed within reach, but at a devastating cost. In court, the truth emerged. Radium wasn't benign, it was lethal. The glow in the dark was the glow of death. The company couldn't deny it any longer. The women's suffering became undeniable, their determination a beacon. Public outrage grew. Safety protocols were demanded. Their sacrifice spurred change. But for many, it was too late. The verdict was clear. The corporation was liable. Compensation was awarded, yet no amount could restore health. The legacy of the Radium Girls was etched in history. Their story resonated. Laws changed, improving worker safety. Their courage illuminated dark truths, prompting reform across industries. The glow of justice shone brightly. Uar. Today, the Radium Girls are remembered, their lives symbolic, a testament to resilience. They fought not just for themselves, but for future generations, their glow everlasting. What remains unexplained is how long-lasting radium's effects truly are. Some say it lingers still, a haunting reminder of what was and what could have been prevented. Their story teaches vigilance in the face of industry, to question, to challenge, to listen to those unheard. The Radium Girls, a story of glowing courage amidst darkness.